Welcome to WhatGear Reviews, you legendary tech fans. Today I have an interesting bit of tech here. This is from Zhiyun and it's the Smooth X Essential Combo. What it is essentially a gimbal for your smartphone, which is also a selfie stick, sort of. And it looks really interesting and it's very affordable. So if you want to check out the current prices, there is a link below this video. You can check that out. You ready? Let's go. Alright, so now we've got it out of the box and look how compact this thing is. For a gimbal for your smartphone, this might be one of the smallest ones you can get. So when I unboxed the Zhiyun Smooth X, there was a bit of paper wrapped around it, which you guys might have seen. This thing is super important because this tells you how to actually unfold this. So you can see it's quite compact when it's straight out of the box. So basically what you got to do is this part here, you got to twist it like that. Then you've got to pull it out a little bit so it exposes the hinge here. Then you can tilt it like that. Then you can rotate this back piece like that. Click that back in and there you go. The Zhiyun Smooth X is unfolded and ready to use. And this thing really is a cross between a selfie stick and a gimbal for your smartphone. Check this out. So setting this up the first time is pretty straightforward. All you do is download the ZY Cami app on your phone and it pretty much does all the work for you. But now check this out. This is how easy it is to calibrate this. You don't have to do anything spectacular. Just position it as central as you can. Make sure you got your cameras on the right side. So there's a sticker here on the top and your cameras need to be on this side. So I put it the wrong way around. So I'm going to leave that sticker on for a while till I remember which side it is. So now we've got the phone here and the gimbal isn't on yet. Check this out, power button on the side here. Hold it down, switches it on. Gimbal steadies itself, balances itself, and there we go, we're ready to use it. Check this out, selfie stick mode. It's super easy to set up. Honestly, I thought it'd be a bit more difficult to do, but the reality is it's literally put your phone on it, switch it on, and it does everything for you. So on this side you have the USB-C port and on this side you have the power button with a battery indicator lighting pattern here. So you've got 4 LEDs, we're about 75% with 3 LEDs at the moment. Then if you look at the controls here, you've got this joystick. Now this is a 2-axis gimbal, it's not a 3-axis gimbal. If we hold that button down, you can see it rotates this way. So a sort of roll. Up and down, we'll do that. Now if we go left and right, as you would expect, it moves left and right. And it doesn't have the forward and back, so it doesn't have the sort of yaw, it doesn't have rotation this way or this way. But that's not a big problem because phones these days tend to have pretty good stabilisation already built into the cameras. So just below the joystick, you've got the record button, and of course that will toggle on or off your recordings. But here's a cool feature, if you double tap that, it'll actually switch between photo and video modes. Now check this out, see this button here, it's got a little M on it. That will actually allow you to reset your gimbal to the central position. But if you double push it, you can switch between landscape and portrait just by doing that. That's so cool, so easy to use. Check that out. Now this is actually a zoom slider, and this will only really work with the ZY Cami app. I tried it with the native camera app here on the Sony phone. It didn't quite work properly, so you can only really use it in the ZY Cami app, but that's a cool feature. You can do some extreme selfies. The entire design of this is pretty robust. If you look at this outer edge, it's got this really nice rubberized texture there, and at the base as well, you've got this nice reinforced plastic there, and you notice that, and in the box with the kit that I got anyway, you got a little tripod here, so you can actually just screw that onto there and leave this in a stationary position if you want to. And it can also extend how long the actual selfie stick part of it is as well if you add that. So far there's a lot to like about the Zhiyun Smooth X, but check this out, there's some awesome features here on the app which we're about to get into now. You ready? Let's go. So this is the ZY Cami app, and there's some cool stuff that this has that your native camera app might not have. But let me just walk you through each step of it. So first of all, on the left hand side here, you can switch between your resolutions. On the front camera, we've only got two, 1080 and 720. If I switch it to the rear camera, then we've got the 4K option as well. One thing to note, when you switch to the 4K option, you can't use the glamour feature, which I'm about to show you now. So the glamour feature, essentially, when you're using the selfie camera app like this, you can do some crazy stuff to your face. Check this out. I look like that Picasso picture, you know, that one. Anyway, you can do loads of crazy stuff like enlarging your eyes and all this kind of stuff. To be honest, it's not something I'm going to mess around with too much, but it's there if you want to use it. So one of the cool features I want to show you here on the right hand side, you have all your different modes. You've got panorama, you've got photo, you've got video, you've got time lapse. So you can actually use the gimbal to shoot a time lapse for you with a bit of motion. So really slow motion, time lapse. You've got hyper time lapse, and then you've got the live stream mode, which only supports these live stream services at the moment. There might be more in the future, but check this out. This is the one I really want to show you because this is really cool. It's the smart mode. So the smart mode will stitch together a series of your videos and add in these really cool transitions and a bit of music, and it just does everything for you, so you don't have to put all your video clips into an editing suite to get a nice little compilation put together. So awesome. But for me, the standout feature is definitely this. You can draw a box around what you want to track. So for example, my face, and the gimbal will track it automatically, so you don't even have to use the buttons on the gimbal itself. That is very awesome if you ask me, and that's something I would find very useful on a day-to-day basis if I'm filming videos with my smartphone. I know there are a bunch of other alternatives out there that do similar things, but this one, for the money, might be the pound for pound champ. Go check it out. There's a link below this video. If you enjoyed this one, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and if you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. See you in the next one. Don't be late.